All right, let's start it. Let's get started. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, now starting. Now
started?
Yes. Here is. Can you see?
Okay, that's right.
Can you see this one? Yeah, we are now live. On live. All right. So. Yeah.
Okay, it's now online. Great.
Right.
Few people watching right now. Hello, guys.
Hello. Four people watching right now, including me, maybe.
A little bit, maybe. Yeah, it's going to more portion upload, I guess. Yeah, let's start it. Yeah.
So those who watching this video, you can just like type anything on like open chat, not open chat, and you can ask anything.
Comment. Yeah, anything you can just write down here. And I can understand Japanese, by the way, but yeah, this is not bicycle project. This is layer1 project.
You can type. Oh, it's.
Yeah, what it will be him as well. That should be fine.
You can see. 5 minutes, like, okay, let's relax and then. All right.
Is it like is it loud?
Oh yeah. All right.
Yeah, after drinking, also was for a while.
Oh, it's not working right now.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so like you turn off the camera right now?
I'm just doing setting.
I just I believe.
Yeah, I'm just setting right now. Setting up. It's working? No, not working. Just I have to set up again. video Sony camera must be it's working. Why it's not working? No, it's not working. Can I stop a little bit? Just I'll come back in your 2 minutes. Alright? あ、声も聞こえなくなってる。Okay, maybe it's just face camera. I'll use it. I'll use face camera. Alright. Nice. Not working. Can I just shut down a little bit? I'm just. Can I stop live? It's working. Right.
Okay, sure.
All right. So just invite them. It'll be nice. All right.
Okay.
I'll invite them here. Can join in. Utkarsh and Aman.
Yeah, now waiting for the fire chain change and still bit waiting for that. And yeah, please wait for a moment. Yeah, so it seems yeah,
awkward.
yeah, like yeah, they're getting a bit
yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, thanks for the
Alright.
for the lighting, and then they're going to Jasmine.
Yeah, they are joining right now, so sorry for being late, but it's gonna be start within 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay. 5 minutes is it's a little bit delayed, but it's fine. Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, like here's India. I'm India, so here's India, so it's everything is not punctual.
Yeah. Yeah, they're based in India, and also Cheetah, you are in India as well, right? And how was the life in
Yes.
India, by the way?
So what? Sorry.
How was the life in India?
It's great. It's
Like,
great. India is great. There are 100 unicorns right now. Startup is there are a lot of nice startup right now, and like in Japan, just only 10 unicorns. But compared to Japan, India is a really fast growing country in the world, and and food is nice. I mean, just we can use Zomato and delivery services in cheap price. That's great. You should come to India.
okay, sure. Understand. Yeah, let's talk about more with it. What's that? Okay.
Yeah.
That's right.
They're joining. Yeah, they must be joining. Utkarsh. Yeah.
Yeah, going right now.
He's joining.
Yeah, let's wait for a while on this.
All right.
That's fine. Yeah.
The big problem, there's huge storm, so complete blackout. Huge storm, hey man. All right, they are India. Yeah. All right. Blackout.
Blackout. Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah, guys. So I'm very sorry about the actually there is a huge storm in India, and also right now it's blackout. Everything are up right now. I think I need to reschedule about the live email right now. Let's wait for a while, and
Yeah.
also how it's going to be as well.
So I just write something.
And so yeah, it's because it's live. Because it's live, so it happens sometimes as well.
Holy. It's.
I'm gonna remember watching right now. 2 people right now. Okay. Yeah, good. So yeah, good to talk with it right now. Yeah, I think we should reschedule about this one.
But Aman is saying I'll join via phone. Maybe they can jump. Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for a while as well.
Should we reschedule? Yeah, we should reschedule. Okay. Oh, Utkarsh joined right now, so that's great. That's great. Great. Hello there.
Great.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? I cannot hear your voice. Utkarsh. Hello.
Hello there. Can you hear me?
I cannot hear your voice. We cannot hear you. Okay, great.
Go ahead. No worries. So right now it's started. Great.
Oh, he left. A lot of happening. Ongoing. Power got you now, please.
It's like say we're glad to have like the podcast like the first like live image, right, guys?
Sorry for.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Okay. Yes. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Great. Amazing. Apologies, by the way. That
Okay. You had a podcast in your area, by the way.
Yes. I mean, just had a huge storm here and everything. Just
So
like
you are in
that.
India, right? You are in India.
Yes. Correct.
Where it's placed? I'm in Gurgaon, so I didn't have a storm right now. So.
What really?
Yeah.
Gurgaon is having too many power cuts. I'm literally like it's
Yes.
pretty bad here.
But today it's okay. So I got one power cut, but just one.
All right,
It's
that's
fine.
amazing, amazing. I'm actually changing my house because I'm just facing too many pockets here in my area. I live around here in Sector 43
Sector
near Savannah
43? Are you
Residence.
sure? Are you kidding me? I'm living in Sector 43.
Oh my God, bro, that's the what a small
Yeah.
world.
Yeah, it's small world, but
I
small world.
could I could come to your place right now, and you
Yeah,
could
that's great.
probably
Yeah, you
take
can
it
just
hear me
enjoy
from
here
there.
and then.
Oh,
Oh,
that's amazing, amazing. So where in Sector 43 are you?
like near Rama apartment, you know? Near Rama apartment.
Oh yes, I do actually.
Yeah,
That's just 5 minutes
from
away.
really?
Hi guys. Hello guys. Hi guys. Aman. How's doing?
Hello.
We're DAOLaunch and how's doing guys?
So Yeah.
Aman.
Okay, yes.
let's
Aman,
get
are you
started.
there?
That's great. Aman's
Great,
here.
great. Yeah. So yeah, seems like a bit like the problem happens, but the everyone's here right now. So let's start about like the email with fire chain and yeah, let's start for sure. Yeah.
All right, amazing.
So yeah, thanks
Yeah.
for joining today. I appreciate you joining here and really excited to talk to you guys about FireChain, which we think it's a really great project and investing in. So let's get for those who don't know about FireChain, could you explain a little bit about yourself and then FireChain a little bit?
Well, yes,
Right.
of course. So yes, I am Utkarsh. I head the marketing department here at Fire, so we're responsible kind of like for the inbound and outbound marketing at Fire, and obviously the products related with Fire. So I have had a good experience in working with internet marketing for the past over a decade, where I've done affiliate marketing, e-commerce, native, black hat as well, and a little bit of white hat marketing as well. That includes obviously Google ads, Facebook ads, and different sort of stuff. I have also been a content creator on YouTube, so I personally run around for 5 channels as well. So yes, until I joined Fire last year, which has been really a great learning curve when it comes to understanding the knowledge of blockchain, what we're doing here, how much good we're trying to do. It's just absolutely been a crazy ride. Yes, I would let Aman do his intro as well.
Hey guys, so me and Utkarsh, we have been into the internet marketing thing since past 6 years. The internet marketing, and then we switched to e-commerce, drop shipping, and then we switched to COD as well in India. It was a huge market back then, like it still is, but back then it was very untapped. So yeah, and then we got crypto. We joined
I
Fire.
guess your voice is
Probably
breaking a little
around
bit.
10 months ago, and then
Yeah, a little bit broken up. Yeah. Can you say that again?
so we joined Fire. I joined Fire around 8 to 9 months back, and it's been a roller coaster ride since then.
Yeah, a lot of happening right now. Yeah. So yeah, okay, great. Thanks for your introduction. And then, so could you explain about FireChain itself, concept, vision, and the key insight? Maybe Utkarsh would be nice to explain.
Yes, definitely, of course. Well, FireChain is basically like a tier one high performance distributed computing platform with like lavish runtime functionalities oriented really towards sustainability at the consensus level. So we're like the first truly, obviously, the sustainability driven platform in the crypto space, and it basically works like if we like incentivize enterprises to be more sustainable and to be more innovative. And we believe in a theory that making the world a better place could just earn you more profits and obviously make the world sustainable in the longer run as well. So all the actions, you could say, in FireChain adhere to the philosophy of a concept known as fifth industrial revolution, which our co-founder Pratik Gauri has been promoting since the past decade. He's been an impact champion. He's worked with a lot of celebrities in building multi-billion dollar businesses. So we're very well connected to that space as well. So yes, any kind of action in terms of development or any sort of thing on FireChain would adhere to the philosophy of the fifth industrial revolution, which in turn creates a net positive impact on the planet. So yes, that's basically the crux of what we're doing with Fire here.
Thanks. It's very great, informative, and I think that is also how differentiate FireChain from other layer 1 project, I guess. So, yeah, I want to ask about this question. So, what is FireChain main differences? FireChain main difference rather than other layer 1 chain. What is the differences? Maybe I think.
Well, yeah, for sure. The first, when it comes to differentiation, our main core USP would obviously be sustainability, because that's the crux of what we're doing here. We've built it into the core, into the heart of the blockchain, into the consensus. So automatically, if someone, a DAO or an individual, you can kind of, builds on us, he's automatically sustainable in the longer run, and gets incentivized economically as well for that. In terms of features, yes, there are a lot of differentiation when it comes to other projects in the crypto space. So we have features like atomic swap, like anyone can just swap asset tokens with FireChain and its supported ecosystem. We allow anyone to create their own standard, obviously fungible and non-fungible tokens. We allow multi-custodial account creation as well. On top of that, we're building products that allows anyone to create a unique human readable domain name. And we'll also have unique identification as well on the chain. In terms of hardcore Fire USPs, we're working with a lot of features that we obviously rolled out to the community in the coming time, where we're currently kind of in the formation of building a strategic roadmap for this year, and we'll be rolling that out pretty much very, very soon. So you'll hear a lot about what we'll be doing over the next year or a couple of years. So yes, that would be, I think, what kind of differentiates us from all the other players in the market as well. And our major difference also lies in the consensus, which is called the proof of fire, which is
I think that is the most big difference from other layer 1 chain, right?
Yes, exactly.
SPoS,
so we're it's the world's first governance based reward distribution process that incentivizes network actors based on their commitment to sustainability in general, and adhering to the philosophy of the fifth industrial revolution, and maintaining the sustainability agenda, the UN Sustainability 17 goals that we have. Yes, so that would be, I think, about how we're majorly differentiate from other players in the market.
That's great. So could you explain a little bit more about the consensus mechanism, SPoS system? Could you explain a little bit more? Because some people don't know about the consensus mechanism. I mean, they are not familiar with. So could you explain it? Consensus mechanism. What is the difference? What is FireChain difference? Have consensus mechanism, and then POS and SPoS.
Yes. Well, it's not SPoS. Well, technically, it was a pretty old documentation. We've kind of updated our some of the stuff there, some of what we're doing. So basically, proof of fire is like a consensus. We've actually tokenized all the 17 UN SDGs using obviously smart contracts. We put them on chain. So like I mentioned, that when someone's using our chain, building on top of us, is automatically providing good to the environment, and in turn earning more money. So let's say, for example, you and I are two different actors in the chain, and you have a better proof of fire score than me, because let's say, for example, I use less sustainability practices than you do. So you would be incentivized more, and I would reap less rewards just because you are more sustainable than me. That's basically like our ideology of promoting sustainability to the world, and making people adopt to that sort of criteria and move towards a better, more sustainable world. Because obviously, you might have witnessed that all of the sustainable businesses are now thriving more and more than the traditional system. Because you've seen that the juices are now more profitable than Coke. Electronic vehicles are more popular than fuel cars. So we're moving at a point in the industry where unsustainable businesses will stop becoming profitable at the peak. So that's where we want to be. We want to be the default blockchain when it comes to sustainability in the blockchain space. When someone says sustainable blockchain in 5 years, we are the ones who they should think of. So that's basically our aim. We want to reach around more than 1 billion people around the world. So it's a long journey, and we're just starting.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Your consensus mechanism system is really great. Compared to Ethereum, that is a POS, but you are including like SDGs score, right? SDGs score, and
exactly.
Yeah, that's really great. So, is there any questions from? Okay, next question. About investors, because you got the investment 121 million investment you got, and it's a really huge amount. But I think you need to, get the investment more in future. So do you have any strategy about it, like investment strategy, like?
Yeah. I mean, we're already pretty much connected with all of the big players in the crypto space, and a lot of other big players in the market. We're partners with Booking.com. We're partners with Huawei Cloud, SDG Guild, the Global Blockchain Association, Lunar Club, and one of the biggest VCs, Magnus Capital, OIG, and then Gem, who's just invested $100 million in us. We're partners with Goldfinch, Dreamboat, and the list just goes on, basically. So yes, there are still opportunities to invest in Fire as well, and obviously we're also doing a round for our VC firm that's called Fire Capital. So there's something to be done there as well. So if you're looking for investment, please reach out to any of the member of the team, and they'll be able to tell you more about it.
Fire Capital, right? It's an investment arm for Fire Chain, right?
Correct. It's a VC firm.
So let's say if I wanna just start a company, you can give me this investment, right? That is a venture.
Yes.
Great.
You definitely should reach out to our team, and we'll be able to help you. Yes.
That's great. That's
that's quite interesting. So we are also an application, and then we are generally interested in building on your chain for sure. Yeah. So is it possible to comment the application on your say applying or something like that on your blockchain?
I'm sorry?
Maybe your mic is a little bit breaking, so you have to a little bit.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but
yes.
It's hard to hear from here.
Oh, how to hear?
Yeah.
Hello?
Can you speak maybe slowly?
Yeah. Please go
That'd
on.
be nice.
Oh, okay, great. So this definitely. So I haven't heard for example sustainability blockchain. I never heard there's a really great differentiate from others. And also you have raised 124 million and from with big investors. Also you're creating a true as a blockchain right now. And then we are also blockchain. No, we are not. We are also the application, and they're also thinking about to create application on your blockchain. So definitely, I would love to. Very interesting about that for sure.
Absolutely, yes. But we're obviously majorly focusing on product development and getting the product out to the market as soon as possible. So yes, you'll see a lot more info on what is to become pretty soon. You'll see a lot of updates from us over the next quarter or so.
Yeah, that's really excited, right? Really excited. So let's move to last question from us. Could you explain about the growth strategy from your side? Because there are a lot of layer 1 chain battling each other, more than 100 layer 1 chains. So we have to you have to compete with those layer 1 chains. So what is your growth strategies? Could you?
Well, yes, definitely. Yes, we have a separate business development department that continuously works 24/7 around the clock to explore more and more partnerships with us. And we are doing a lot of partnerships as well. We're doing tech partnerships with Zelica. We're in talks with Telos. We're talks in Fireblocks, 6E Index, MK Premium, Zelica. The list just goes on. So yes, you'll see a lot more partnerships. Coming from us for over the next quarter as well, where we're working on some deals that are just being finished. So you'll start hearing about them more and more and more.
That's really exciting.
Like the, for example, time periods, for example, like time period milestone. So like until like this year, you're going to do this one and then something like that.
I'm sorry, I missed it. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, that's right. So you are like opening like testnet already, right? So it's when do you expect to like the opening, for example, the mainnet? Maybe it's the next 2 years.
Well, yes. The testnet, I think, is being tested, and it's supposed to be rolled out in the next quarter. And the mainnet is supposed to be scheduled in at the end of round Q3, or maybe at the starting of Q4. So by the end of the year, we'll have some concrete results and some concrete roadmap ahead of what lies ahead. Yes.
Oh, that's very interesting. Yeah, great. Yeah.
We're also working on a second version of our roadmap, if you would like to call it, and we'll be rolling that out this week. So yes, you can watch out for that on our website.
That's great. Yeah, very exciting for this one.
So I think just growth strategy. I mean, just it's the most important point for layer one to growth is how to invite startups, right, on their own chain. Nice startup on their chain, right?
Absolutely.
So
yes.
that's why just you founded, just Fire Capital already. So is there any now just 10 million, right? Fund size is 10 million, I guess. No?
Yes.
Okay, 10
yes.
million. It's gonna be growing, right? Maybe just grow.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And the partnerships, you are making a lot of partnership, and those projects or companies might be on FireGem in future.
Yes.
Maybe.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's
absolutely.
great.
Yes.
That's great.
We're in partnership with different governments all over the world. We're working with 3 state governments in India on some projects. We're in partnership with the state of Nebraska, in Nigeria as well for agriculture and farm rights. So there's a lot of stuff that's been going on. But yes, obviously our major focus right now is getting the tech sorted and building the product out to the market. Yes.
That's great. Amazing. So yeah, let's move to Q&A session from DAO launchers.
That's a question from our communities, and yeah, for sure. Yeah, now our member watching, and also watching from Telegram as well. Is there any guys who ask for more about the fire chain, and please comment on the YouTube or Telegram, and I'm going to ask for the fighting teams for now.
Yes, guys, come on, bring in our questions.
Okay. Do you guys have any questions here? The mentees?
From community, is there any question?
Seems like there are a couple here.
So yeah, I have a question. Yes, from my side. I mean, just so startup first or second startup on chain, on Fire chain would be really important, right? Because the first project failed or not going well, that chain have huge impact, right? So what project would be nice for Fire chain, first or second, or just what kind of the project you prefer? I mean, that is, if possible, just can you disclose it? Some lending project or some DEX project of today you need DEX. So what project would be preferable on first to 10? What do you because we are DAOLaunch, so we can just help you to launch project on your chain. So I want to ask about this.
Well,
Did you get my question?
Yeah. So any like type of the like say application blockchain setup can apply like say, on your like build on your blockchains, or like is there any like some criteria for like say build it on?
yes, you can definitely build on a blockchain. I'm sorry, Saya, I did miss your question. I was actually disconnected. I'm pretty sorry about that. Yes,
Okay.
if you want any other information with respect to, we're very kind of like new towards that as well. So we'll again, like I mentioned, we'll be rolling out all of the information that's required for you to for you to contact us, or have all the assets to build on us. So we'll be rolling out that info pretty much very soon. If you have any other doubts, you can contact any member of the team on any of the email IDs, on Telegram or Discord, anywhere. We're just available here 24/7.
Also, I think you should talk to our hackathon team, because we recently organized the hackathon, and now we are looking for projects. Like the idea phase recently got over, but now we are looking for projects who can come and build on us. So I think that's something you should try as well.
Yes,
this is why we are trying to go mass in tech marketing, and we are trying to onboard developers and projects who can try and test to build on us.
All right, that's great.
Yes,
that's
you
great.
could definitely hop onto our Discord server and join the hackathon channel. You find all the information there.
That's great. Just I reach out to Discord and then just ask your developer team or technical team. That's great.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so already 8 o'clock in India. So
Yes.
1 hour already passed.
Yeah.
You and I are on the same clock.
Yeah, same clock. So Aman, where are you? Okay, just okay. Let's. Okay. Do you have any question from? Is there any question from DAO launchers? I don't think so.
Yeah, actually not. Maybe so it's like the basic live meeting and right now. So as for now, it's all good. Seems like, I guess. Yeah, I have seen one question from here, and I see quite empowered DAOs and working groups to help accelerate the implementation of the United Nations 2030 agenda for sustainable development. Or if I also like hold a charity event or something.
So absolutely missed the question. What was it?
Sakura-san, could you say that again? I mean, maybe I also couldn't understand that. Yeah.
Oh, I got the first part.
Alright.
What was the question?
So there is 2 questions, and then so will Fire also hold a charity event or something? And,
Yes, we'll definitely hold a charity event. See, like I said, we're majorly focused around developing a product for now. Once we are closer to the launch, we'll be doing many events, like launch charity events. We'll be hosting meetups, we'll be hosting developer meetups, we'll be hosting conferences as well. So yes, you can definitely expect that from us.
That's great. That's good.
I mean, near the launch, you guys will see a lot of stuff, and also we are constantly active in conferences and the other stuff that involves that, and we are also we are also
everywhere. Like I went to Dubai and also went to like Davos as well. Yeah.
Yeah, that was like now
Very busy.
our whole team is in Davos, the BDF, and the also
co-founders
post-conference
and
events. So
some of the co-founders and members of the team are there. We have a few keynote speakers as well that are there with us during the event. We'll be speaking on lots of interesting things, including Web3 and blockchain and so on, and different stuff about Fire as well. So be sure to follow that.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so there is a few questions more, but I think
Just-
it's maybe like nearly the time, I guess. Should I?
Yeah. Okay. Just few questions.
Okay, maybe only like one question, the
Okay,
last,
just
and
one
then we'll
question,
like
only one question.
finish.
Yeah.
And then
Yes,
so,
we can go ahead with that question for sure.
so the
Last question.
what is a chain software, and also where do you see Pi in the next 2 years?
All right, that's a good question. I probably explained most of the part here. I'll just go on with what you asked in the first part of the question. So in terms of achievements, we mentioned that we're doing multiple MOUs with different governments around the world. So we're like the first layer one in India to do that. Apart from that, like we mentioned, we're doing a lot of events. We're attending conferences all around the world. So in terms of adoption, really good stuff has been going on. So yes, we'll obviously continue furthering our efforts towards adoption, because being a layer one, that's the most important thing that we need to do, make more and more partnership, get more and more people to see us, and get more and more people to build on us, so that like I said, in next 5 years time, we're the default blockchain when it comes to sustainability in the blockchain space, because that has been a problem, as you might call it, in the blockchain space for so long. And it's good that different companies are now coming up to solve with different ideas to solve that problem that has been looming around the blockchain space for so long.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. All right. Okay. Really like appreciate to like say to join it here today. The Amen is really appreciate for like say you guys here, and also I'm really honored to like say cooperate together, and then like say have like say to work together, and also good relationship with you, and also we keep supporting, and then also like say we also like they do anything support from outside as well, and also Chida, he is in India as well, and then we are like say keep stay in touch, and then so today again I'm really thank you for joining the call. And
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You've been a great host. It has been really great talking with you guys. And yes, I'll personally follow up with you. We'll play some PS.
Great. Yeah. Thanks for your time today. Okay.
All right. Yes. Thank you. Everyone else, all the community members for joining as well. If you have any other questions you'd like to ask, please feel free to drop us in the official Fire chat. We're always here to answer. And yes, have a great weekend, all of you guys.
Yeah, that's great, Ken. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, have a great weekend as well. You too. And I will post like the fire chain information to share information on the Telegram post, and also, please like say go to the website, the Telegram or the Discord, like when you like interested. Also, let me sure to join. Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you. Thank you for the call.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot for having us today, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.